What is up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to be working on a Fiesta. We're going to switch the clutch with a 3-piece clutch kit from LUK. That was a tongue twister, that one. So we're going to be doing that as well. What I'm going to do right now is, we did mention, and we have been posting a few bits on the community page about us doing pillar pods. Jack's got his old one out of the car.
You should have said they want to see it and then we're disappointed.
But I'm going to add on the screen right now, up here, some photos of the new ones. We've got the first ones back. So these should fit the Corsa EVXR and Corsa DVXR. They will be sold at £100 primed, posted to your door. So we may be doing the double ones at some point down the line. But Jack, what are you doing? It's not a gun.
No, look at it.
Somebody's been playing Call of Duty too long. So with that being said, these are going to be available very, very soon, posted to your door. We'll be doing the triple pillar pods first, then we'll try and do the doubles. But at some point, obviously, we've got to try and make sure we sell the triples first before we start production on the doubles. So when Jack's finished doing that to me, being naughty, we're going to bring this Fiesta in and we're going to start working on the Fiesta. That's so trippy. So also as well, on the website, Rusty Auto's t-shirts, got them in stock down below. In the description for the website, Rusty Auto stickers. We've got also stainless steel exhaust specialists. Make sure you're hitting him up as well. There's all his numbers and everything else. He is going to get us a banner to put up here, as well as all our other sponsors. So let's go and bring this Fiesta.
It's a Fiesta.
Oh yeah, Fiesta. Let's bring this let's bring this Fiesta inside. We are going to go ahead and bring her inside, and then we can show you the issues and do a little montage of us taking the old clutch out. I bet I'm looking a little bit windswept. I bet my hair's all over the place, but the wind has picked up outside. Shutter's now closed, so I do apologise if you do hear that banging a little bit in some of these little clips that we're talking about now. The weather has completely dropped, so it's a bit different. Again, I've got shorts on, Curtis has got shorts on. So I feel a bit of an idiot, but again, it was warm this morning. It was warm. However, we're going to start stripping down this Fiesta now, which you're about to see. And yeah, let's get straight into it. We're then going to proceed to take the battery out. We're going to take the airbox out as well. This will allow us access to the gearbox. Obviously the gearbox has to come out for us to switch the clutch over. So it is, it's not a quick job, but it's a long-winded job. There's plenty more other stuff that we need to remove as well, which we're going to get to now.
Like this. We climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's all we'll ever like, but that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. Yeah. When it hurts like this, ever like, beat it, ever like, ever like, ever like, beat it, ever like. When it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, when it hurts like this. We hold each other high, but we fall 1,000 times. But I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way.
So when Curtis actually turns the brightness down on this light, we'll actually have a conversation. Thank you. So Jack's now putting back together this Fiesta. The reason we call it Fiesta is because the badge looks like it says Fiesta. So gearbox is in, clutch is in, that's all been changed. Wounds was suffered in that, won't they, Jack?
Yeah, my
I've got
face.
a good gash on my knuckle that I think I'm going to have to get glued shut, but you know, oh well. At least I ain't got any blood on the customer's car. That's the main thing. Curtis nearly dropped gearbox on Jack's face.
He did drop the gearbox on my face.
He did drop the gearbox on Jack's face, so I came into the rescue.
laughing.
One-handed, lifting that gearbox up, as you do. Curtis stopped laughing behind the camera. So Jack, I saved your life, Jack. You owe me breakfast.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, he owes me breakfast.
His lips are twitching.
So, with that being said, we did come across something on the car as well. The actual spring on the driver's side front is actually snapped, which you'll see now. We've obviously advised the customer that that needs replacing, so we're going to be replacing that as well. So he's going to bring that part up tomorrow, which will then finish off this video for that. The next clutch I'm going to have a go with Jack as well. Obviously I've been watching him do some bits and bobs, so we're going to both go through that next time, and I'll be doing that. Probably won't record it first time. Yeah, 351. But yeah, so that's obviously going to be coming soon. Obviously I'm learning Jack's trade, Jack's learning my trade, so it's like a good thing to obviously help each other out, isn't it? So, with that being said, he's going to go ahead, tighten all these bolts back together off camera. You've seen a lot of montage clips and all that sort of stuff. We are mixing up these videos, so make sure your notification icon is on, you're subscribing, and also while we're here as well, there's a big thing coming for the VXR. My VXR, yes, it's still for sale, but do not miss it. If you've bought a raffle ticket, or if you guys are just genuinely interested in that car, then do not miss that video. We'll put it on Premiere. There'll be some huge news regarding that. So do not miss that video.
They'll be very happy.
Very happy. So we're back on a brand new day. Today, Curtis has deserted us, so I'm picking up the camera. I knew it. So we're going to stand over here, out of Jack's way. But next day, we've now got the spring. Sorry, so we're going to fix the spring on the front end, and then this car will be done. We just had a little fun.
Yep.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm very good. Well, I'm good after today.
Yeah, because of this on your back, look. See that name? Ooh.
Which one?
Rust Autos.
Yes,
Let's jump back on this Fiesta. And that shutter's making really loud noises. And then we will get back to you. But as well, we're all going to do another video on the pillar pods. We are pretty much nearly there. We should get them tomorrow. Obviously, you guys, this is a bit of behind time, so as we are saying this, it will already be for sale now on our website. So I think Jack's given up.
I'm not giving up on mine a little bit. On a minute.
There's a wild Jack.
Hello.
Lay down, flat on the floor. You could see his nostrils.